Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And how exciting is this? I got a nice package from Boowan Nicole, and they asked me to collaborate with them on these beautiful, beautiful molds. So I'm going to show you what I got, and you will look up here and I'll tell you exactly the name of these molds up in this area over here. Now, look at this mold. This is the sun, and look how gorgeous that is. This is going to make a beautiful dish. We can make this, I'm going to make this for Mother's Day, so we can make this as a place where you can put your jewelry in, or we can make this as a little, as a candle holder. So we're going to try out, this week we're going to use it as the little trinket dish, and then during the week we're going to make a candle with that. Now, here is something very similar, and look how pretty this is. So we have a matching set, if you'd like, to put that sun on the side here. Look how pretty that is. And this one is a little higher, and the same with this. Now I love this here because it's a little, see, it's a little higher. So you always have to worry when they're a little high like this that you're going to get an irregular shape, but not with the Boowan Nicole because it has the magnetic sides. Look how easy that's going to hold that all together. And you don't have to worry that that is going to be distorted or anything. So how beautiful is that? And you know the quality. The quality is always amazing. Here's another one that has this magnetic. I love the magnets on this. Now this one, you're saying, I wonder what that is. Well, inside here, you have some amazing stars. The promised land was there beyond the great divide. So if we want, but I'll be coming home soon. Use some mica powders inside on the stars, or you can just fill it up with some beautiful Boowanite, or some mixed to mold, or some Resinite. And that will make a beautiful either candle holder. This will make a beautiful candle holder. We have that. Now, this is going to be, again, you're going to look up here, and you're going to find it right there. We're going to make that this week. Wait till you see this. Pouring some soy wax into that, and we're going to make a beautiful candle, and that's going to be really amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait to do that. That gets poured upside down like this. And it comes with these two to clip it together. Put that together. Pour our So look out for this beautiful sun on Sunday for Mother's Day. Down there. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time, see you soon. Bye-bye now. Don't forget to look out for that candle video too during the week.